Alright kids, now it is time to take a little wiggle break, get all of our little wiggles out. Okay, first things first, we're going to have to throw your arms in a circle. Watch your hands, you don't want to hit them. Throw your arms in a circle, bring them back. Alright, stop. Touch your toes, touch your toes, touch your toes. Okay, stop. Now give me 5 jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stop. Okay, ready? Twirl as fast as you can. Stop. Okay. Give me spirit fingers up in the air. Spirit fingers down below. Spirit fingers to your friend. Stop. Okay. 5 jumps in the air. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, everybody. If you will take a seat back in your chair, we are ready to begin the lesson.